Hi, my name is Tony the Grafter from Burks and welcome to 7 to 28 Banksia Terrace in South Perth, an ideally located top floor apartment with expansive city views. Come, experience it for yourself. The heart of this home boasts a modern kitchen with high quality cooking appliances and sleek granite benchtops, perfect for the culinary enthusiast. Enjoy the mesmerising city skyline from your open plan living area or either of your two private balconies. Your daily dose of $1 million views puts you on top of the world.